Yippee!
Yay!
It's Monday morning in Truckopolis,
Yeah!
and that means it's the start of a new school week. Boom Boom isn't really a morning truck, so he gets a little help from Ollie.
Monday!
Monday is Bolt's favorite day of the week, because on Mondays, the young trucks practice jumping.
Wahoo! Yes!
Yippee! Yeah!
Oops.
Tuesday!
The young monster trucks like to drive fast every day. But on Tuesday, they also practice stopping quickly.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh!
Boom Boom has his own special way of coming to a stop.
Oh.
Wednesday!
Wednesday is the third day of the school week, and Wednesday is for drifting.
Woohoo! Uh-oh. Oops.
Thursday!
Dragon looks forward to Thursdays all week long
Yeah.
because Thursdays are for crushing.
Yes.
Friday!
Ladybug's favorite day is Friday
Yippee!
because on Friday, the trucks learn to spell.
Woo! Woo! Yay! Yes! Huh? Ta-da!
Yeah.
Saturday!
Saturday is the first day of the weekend.
Yippee!
So Saturday is for doing whatever the trucks want, like driving sharp turns or climbing hills
Yahoo!
or crashing,
Oof.
playing in a half pipe
Yeah! Yippee!
or looping the loop
Woo, woo, woo!
Yay!
or just bouncing the day away.
Yahoo! Sunday!
Sunday is the perfect day for napping. An activity even Boom Boom can't mess up. Perhaps I spoke too soon.
Oops. Oh.
The young monster trucks will get a chance to do it all again next week, though. On Monday, they will jump. On Tuesday, they will stop. On Wednesday, they will drift. On Thursday, they will crush. On Friday, they will spell. On Saturday, they will play. And on Sunday, they will rest. At least as long as Boom Boom will let them. When you're a monster truck, every day of the week is awesome.
Uh-oh. Eek! Oh!
It's a beautiful day in Truckopolis. The young monster trucks have just mastered the alphabet.
Oops. Oh.
And the whole city has gathered to cheer them on as they show off what they have learned.
Yay!
The first letter of the alphabet is A, as in monster trucks are awesome! B is for big, like the big wheels on monster trucks. No!
Uh-oh.
C is for cars. Cars that monster trucks like to crush. Yes! D is for daring. The trucks love to perform daring tricks. Of course, as Boom Boom knows, D is also for dangerous.
No!
E is the first letter in eager. The trucks are always eager to show off their tricks.
Yeah!
Well, most of them are eager anyway.
Oh.
F is the beginning of flip. Ladybug and Dragon both love to flip.
Yippee!
G is for go.
Uh-oh.
Sometimes when he messes up, Boom Boom has to go away in a hurry.
No!
H is for high. No one else can jump quite as high as Bolt.
Wahoo!
I is the first letter in incredible. Dragon is incredible at crushing.
Yeah.
J is for jumping. Jumping is Buzz's favorite thing to do. K is the first letter in kite. And a silent K is also the first letter in knock over. If you don't look where you're going, you can knock over your friends.
Oops.
L is for laugh. Monster trucks love to laugh. M, of course, is the first letter in monster trucks. Everyone loves monster trucks.
Yeah!
N is for new, as in check out Ladybug's new trick.
Yahoo!
O is the first letter in over. Boom Boom is soaring over the tires and then crashes into them.
Oh.
P is for pull, like when Star pulls Boom Boom out of the tires.
Oh.
Q is the first letter in the word quick. Ladybug is very quick,
Yeah!
but Bolt is quicker. R is for rev. Monster trucks rev their engines before a race.
Oops.
S is the first letter in stripes, like the yellow and black stripes on Buzz's paint job.
Woohoo!
T
T is for terrific. Learning is terrific.
Yeah!
U is the first letter in up. As the trucks stack atop each other, they go up, up, up. V is for vroom. Vroom is the sound the trucks make when they drive very fast.
Vroom! Vroom, vroom!
W is the first letter in wink, like when Star winks to her adoring fans. Our next letter is X. Sometimes X marks the spot.
Yes!
Y is the first letter in yell, and the crowd yells in excitement. Z is for zigzag, the perfect last letter of the alphabet, as the young monster trucks zigzag their way home, excited for all the things they can learn tomorrow.
Yeah!
Hey, kids! Well, you're in luck. Here come the monster trucks.
Yay!
Yep, it's time for an awesome alphabet rhyme.
Yippee!
Now, there are 26 letters from A to Z. Let's have some fun. Come rhyme with me. Yippee! A is for axle. It helps the truck's tires spin. B is for boom boom. There he goes again.
Oops.
C is for cab, where people sit and look about.
Yeah.
D is for door, for getting in and getting out. E is for exhaust. It helps regulate airflow.
Yeah!
F is for fenders. They protect the tires below. G is for grill. It lets cool air in.
Yes!
H is for hood. It covers the engine. I is for ignition. It helps turn the truck on. J is for jump. Let's jump. Come on.
Yippee!
K is for key. It turns the ignition.
Vroom!
L is for lights, to help with night vision.
Ta-da!
M is for monster. Monster trucks. All right.
Woohoo!
N is for nuts. They hold tires on tight.
Yes!
O is for oil. It keeps the engine running smooth. P is for premium. It's the best fuel to use. Q is for quarter panel. There are 2 on each side.
Yahoo!
R is for ramp. Watch the trucks jump real high.
Yeah!
S is for shocks. They go up and down. T is for toe, to pull things around.
Oh.
U is for U-joint. It makes the back wheels turn. V is for vroom. Now watch them burn. W is for wheel. They go round and round.
Yeah!
X is for XL, the largest tires we found.
Yeah!
Y is for yellow, a blinking signal. Yeah! Z is for zigzag. Come on, let's wiggle. You've learned 26 letters from A to Z. And lots of truck parts. Easy smeezy.
Yeah!
Now, since you're a pro, and you know what you know,
Yahoo!
let's pick up the pace with an alphabet race.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! Go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo!
It's been such an awesome time.
Yeah!
You did great learning this rhyme. But finally, it has come to an end.
Oh.
Thanks for being my alphabet friend. See you next time. Woohoo! Hooray! Keep on trucking, my friends.
Yeah!
We'll be back another day.
Awesome!
The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all night, night long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all night long. The shocks on the truck go up and down, up and down, up and down. The shocks on the truck go up and down all night long. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The wipers on the truck go back and forth all night, night long. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 all night long. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 all night, night long. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all night, night long.
Yeah! That was awesome! Please subscribe for some more trucking fun!